Repeat.
Come in. Sit down, please. Come again. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Fine, thanks.
That's not a pencil. That's not a chair. That's not a book. You're not a teacher. She's not a doctor. He's not a nurse. We're not mechanics. They're not pilots. I'm not a teacher.
What is it? What am I? What is she? What is he? What are we? What are they? What are you?
Listen and repeat.
That's a pencil.
That's not a pencil.
That's a chair.
That's not a chair.
That's a book.
That's not a book.
That's a tape.
That's not a tape.
That's a recorder.
That's not a recorder.
You're a teacher.
You're not a teacher.
She's a nurse.
She's not a nurse.
We're pilots.
We're not pilots.
They're mechanics.
They're not mechanics.
I'm a teacher.
I'm not a teacher. You will hear the affirmative form. Then you record the negative form.
That's a pencil. That's a chair. That's a book. That's a tape. That's a recorder. You're a teacher. She's a nurse. We're pilots. They're mechanics. I'm a teacher.